Free ho and fire ni enchemo ewo ensem from and that day ewo fonton from Jimedie so Ghana new segment no na nana Ayebiafo Jnana obaso na ensem a waka Ediafa Emeritus Engineer Apostle Kwadwo Safo kantanka ho no e na onye nipa bia keke.
Than a month before the apostle be free man. Obi interview me. The nation's uncle of Afia interview me about apostle. Now me can say apostle Ghana for ensunumu enche bia obi free. Na o free mu aye hwe politicians are on be kwa se akoka se wo. Na papa yi na ye ma no state burial na ye ni say. Because nipa ne tiase no. Normal all ye na ya dia say butwe no wan ka ye be so many say Nyankopon. And the 1 month video making, I think there is on social media. And the 1 month, and apostle free. See, to be honest with you, many apostles in share ni muda. By somebody I've been following from afar.
Okay.
And trust me, I know, as a mystic say, he is not an ordinary person.
Sir.
Yes. I don't know, ma'am. See, one thing, in spiritual levels, there's a statement, a caution. They say a disciple must not be too close to the master.
Hey.
And a disciple must be too close to the master. A chintia beda tatuata meaning says simultaneously the same but different. O master no, you must be close to him all the time. O master no, he ain't one corner chain. So this is the two thing. If you go close to your master, you will get his blessings, benefit, and then serve properly. But when you go too close to him also, you begin to assume that he's an ordinary human being. Oh, the so did he? Oda, Ojana nine. Bibi oyebi.
Okay.
So who and China would need the eye to see the kind of personality he is. You might end up seeing so after all. Say because you begin to see him with these eyes, so you end up committing apparent offenses against him. So those of you that may be close to him might not know, but trust me, say he was not an ordinary person. You know, I'm somebody who talks about reincarnation. Souls coming here, going back and returning again with some kind of energies to make sure society becomes better. He's such a personality. It's no more no me a member, but being a mystic and knowing very well the kind of thing mystics do. No, I know say he was a very powerful mystic, or somebody who was not just an ordinary human being, or some special qualities to be and yet very common for you to see people possessing those qualities. But unfortunately, the country is not, focus on that kind of ability and help. He was doing many wonderful things. They didn't pay attention.